Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech Talks with Intuz, where we break down the latest trends in technology and innovations. I'm your host Anil, and today's topic is something that's redefining industry across the globe: AIoT, where age meets intelligence. To explore this fascinating subject, we have a special guest with us, Ayushi, our in-house AI and IoT solutions experts at Intuz. Ayushi, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Anna. Excited to be here and talk about a topic that's so close to my heart. It is AIoT. AIoT is one of those areas where innovation is happening at lightning speed.
Oh, so let's start at the beginning. AIoT sounds like a buzzword, but it's actually a powerful combination of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Could you explain it in simple terms that what it actually means?
Yeah, of course. I think of IoT as a nervous system. It collects data from the sensor, devices, and machines. AI is like a brain. It processes the data, find the process pattern, and make decisions. When you merge that two, you will get a AIoT, a smart ecosystem where devices don't just collect the data, they understand it and act on the real time, often right at the edge without the needing cloud processing.
So it is like your device is learning and responding instantly without waiting for instruction from a central server, right?
Exactly. That's why IoT is being called where edge meets intelligence.
Okay. So you mentioned earlier that AIoT often works at the edge. Can you explain that why that is so much important?
Sure, edge means processing data close to where it generated, like in the device itself or a nearby gateway, instead of in sending it to the central cloud. So this is the important for two reasons, like speed in the critical in scenario like autonomous vehicle or a robotic surgery when milliseconds matters. And second one is a priority, which is sensitive data doesn't have to travel across the network and reduce security risks.
Okay. So AIoT at the edge is like having a super fast local decision maker instead of waiting for a distant boss to approve every move.
Exactly. That's the best analogy.
Okay. So every powerful technology comes with its own set of challenges. So what should businesses keep in mind before jumping into AIoT?
Good question. Here are three big ones. First one is data quality. I mean, if we have a bad data, then we can make a bad decisions. Second one is security. If more connected devices means more entry points for cyber attacks. And third one is the integration. AIoT solution have to work seamlessly with the existing systems. The good news is with the right architecture and partners, these challenges can be managed.
And this has been a fascinating discussion, I think, right?
Yeah, if I had to summarize, like IoT is about putting intelligence at the edge, enabling device to making smart, fast, and safe decision without relying solely on the cloud.
Okay. So
Exactly.
okay, so I think if you are listening and thinking, I want to explore how AIoT can transform my business, the team at Intuz can help from strategy to development and deployment. We build a custom AIoT solutions tailored to your industry needs. So visit Intuz.com to learn more or connect with us for a free consultation. Thank you, Ayushi, for having with us.
Thank you for having me, Anand. And
Thank
thank you for to our listeners. Until next time, keep innovating.
Yes, thank you all.